The benefits of wisdom.
Borok mwnak lama-o himna bagwi borok kahamrokni lamano khibinai.
These men turn from the right way walk down dark paths.
Samung hamya khlaiwi tongthokjaknairok, hamya chap laima-o tongthokjago.
They take pleasure in doing wrong, and they enjoy the twisted ways of evil.
Lama kokoi-o himnairok, sakni tongmung baino lama korójak.
Their actions are crooked, and their ways are wrong.
Nwng bwrwi baliknaini yakni phiyókjaknai. Uaijanairokni kwtẃi, samarokni yakni, yóknai.
Wisdom will save you from the immoral woman, from the seductive words of the promiscuous woman.
Bo sikla phuruni mangsongno tei samai tangmano khibi-o.
She has abandoned her husband and ignores the covenant she made before God.
Tamni hinba bini nok lamale thuina lama-o thangmase aro thangmale morke phaising thangma lamase.
Entering her house leads to death. It is the road to the grave.
Bini thani thangnairok borok tei kiphili phaya tei thangna lama-bo manphiya.
The man who visits her is doomed. He will never reach the paths of life.
Aboni bagwi borok kahamrokni lama tei himdi tei borok soirok tongtwi tongdi.
So follow the steps of the good, and stay on the paths of the righteous.
Tamni hinba borok sutrangrok hao tongnai, kwtwiąi aro tongkhlaiwi.
For only the godly will live in the land, and those with integrity will remain in it.
Tamuki borok hamya-rokke haniri khlaijaknai tei bandinairok aroni phuyjawi khibi-jaknai.
But the wicked will be removed from the land, and the treacherous will be uprooted. Our Father in heaven, may your name be kept holy. May your kingdom come soon. May your will be done on earth, as it is in heaven. Give us today the food we need, and forgive us our sins, as we've forgiven those who sin against us. And don't let us yield to temptation, but rescue us from the evil one. Thanks for watching. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Please do consider to subscribe and like, share. May God bless you and your family.